desert flower, it blossoms when it rains. And sometimes in the midnight hour you hear the whistle of a train. The farther that you travel, the older you become. The chatter and the babble, oh, they keep you on the run, on the run, on the run, on the run. And as the rain falls, you hear that whistle call, and you wanna ride that train. You hear that rumbling sound, you feel your heart pound. You're waiting like a flower for the rain, waiting for the rain, oh, just waiting for the rain. Your love is like a midnight owl in the whistle of a train, like a desert flower waiting for the rain. The farther that you wander, the more you leave behind, and yet it makes you ponder just what you might find, what you might find, oh, what you might find. And as the rain falls, you hear that whistle call, and you wanna ride that train. You hear that rumbling sound, you feel your heart pound. You're waiting like a flower for the rain, waiting for the rain, oh, waiting for the rain. Your hope is like a desert flower, it blossoms when it rains. And sometimes in the midnight hour you hear the whistle of a train. The farther that you travel, the older you become. The chatter and the babble, oh, they keep you on the run, on the run, on the run, keep you on the run. And as the rain falls, you hear that whistle call, and you wanna ride that train. You hear that rumbling sound,